So I love scrapbooking, journaling, junk journaling, all of the things. So when the brand reached out and offered to send me these, I was like, yeah, absolutely. I'm going to go quickly overview what's in the packaging and then do a quick page in my journal with some of these. I'm going to decide after I've opened them up and kind of see what's in them. So let me open them up so you don't have to hear the crinkling. We'll do a quick overview with the camera of what's in there, and then we'll do a quick page so you can see how this stuff looks on the page. All right, so each set comes with, kind of really quickly show you. So there's the blue, the green, the pink, and then the fall colors, I would call them, kind of the neutral. So each set comes with some papers, and then they come with some smaller papers, even smaller papers. And then they come with little ephemera stuff, and then they all come with stickers, right? So super cute stickers. So that's the blue. Let me take you off here. There you go. So here's the green set, same thing. You've got the little paper, the little ephemera, and then the larger sheets of paper here. And you've got all of the fun stickers. The botanical, this is very botanical based. The vintage and vintage botanical, same thing here with the fall colors. You've got the flower stickers, butterflies, that kind of stuff, and the paper. And then the pinks. So I think I'm going to do a page with the blues. So let me get that together and we'll be right back. Change my mind, doing green. All right, so I've picked out a few things. I'll have to show you when I'm done, but so like I've picked out 2 pieces of paper here, a piece of paper here, and some stickers. Now, I am not one of those Pinterest, Instagram worthy scrapbookers or whatever. And this is just my daily journal that I'm adding some paper into, and then I can write on it. And I'm going to show you that this is the perfect kit for whoever wants to use it. That is why I love things like this. You have all the pretty stuff that matches, and you can make it pretty, and you don't have to put a ton of thought into it because it all matches. So let me get started, and I will come back and show you what I've come up with. Okay, and here's what I came up with. Now I'm just using a good old-fashioned glue stick to put the paper down, right? And I put some stickers in here with it. And now you can just stick photos in here. You could stick receipts if you wanted to do some junk journaling, but now you just have a nice background to go on. And there goes my glue stick. Or you could write on here and just capture a memory, which is, I'm going to probably put a photo in here and a little bit of writing. But see, you have all of this stuff that matches, right? And so you just pick the stuff you want and you make an aesthetic page with it. And you don't have to be really, really good at this to have a really cute page. So I hope if you were thinking about getting this set that this has helped.